It's time to celebrate the most special and important man in my life who gave me the gift of life. Today I celebrate Amar Baba, my father. Baba, this is for you. Baba, you are my creator. Baba, you're my teacher. Baba, you're my encyclopedia. Baba, you are an emotion. Baba, you're my Google. Baba, you're my inspiration. Baba, you are the wind beneath my wings. Baba, you're my superhero. Baba, you're my strength. Baba, you're my weakness. Baba, you're my voice of reason. Baba, you're my advice giver. Baba, you're my cheerleader. Happy birthday, Baba. I love you.